and the heart of the what? The computer. So if we define an object as the brain and the heart of the computer, what it simply means is that there is no way any part of our body can function without the brain. So the same thing, when we talk about computer, there is no way the computer can what? Function without what? The CPU. Now, if we look at it professionally, the word CPU actually can be represented as what? System unit. So the system unit is just like a house. The house is what? Different what? Sector of what? The computer, in which you have the logical unit, you have the storage unit, and then you have other processing what? Components. Now, quickly, when we talk about the optional, like I said earlier on, this optional can probably be done away with for some time, but definitely at one point or the other, a user might need them. So these are a set of devices that, even if they are not available at the point of wanting to operate the computer, you can still go ahead and manage what? The computer. Now, example of them, we have example of this. We have the printer, we have the scanner, we have joystick, we have light pen, we have projector, and many of them out there. Now let's quickly talk about this computer software. Now, when we say the hardware as a physical part we can see and touch, the direct opposite of this definition does not apply to what? Software. Because when we talk about software, we're talking about programs, we're talking about instructions, we're talking about set of commands that have been assembled to perform a particular what? Task in the computer. So, softwares are what? Programs. And this software, the computer software, can be divided into two, where we have the application software, and then we have the system software. Now, when we talk about the application software, we're talking about those software that are actually designed for a specific task. They are not actually built for everything. For example, we have Microsoft Word, that is MS Word. We have MS Excel. We have MS PowerPoint. All these are applications. We have them in different categories. So we can talk about application packages. So under application packages, we have processing packages. Under processing packages, we have Word, we have WordPerfect, and then the rest of them. Then under spreadsheet application, we have Excel, we have Lotus 1, 2, 3, we have Control. Then under presentation application, we have PowerPoint. Under graphics application, we have CorelDRAW and Photoshop and the rest of them. Now, let's quickly talk about the system software. Now, when we talk about system software, we are actually saying this set of software that are created just for the computer to function. These are not the software created for users. And these are the set of softwares that you install first in your system. So once you buy a system, the first thing is for you to what? To install your system software. So example of this system software is what we know today as OS, which means what? Operating system. So under this, we now have Windows.